What's up, gang? I am Nike Small, princess of a city in the city that I'm in. I don't know what part of this video gonna be. It is probably the start of a new vlog, a new video, quote unquote. I'm gonna try to start making vlogs, but anyways, you guys, I am getting ready to find something to eat. Well, I already know what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat sausages and grits. I'm gonna do that, and I'm also getting ready to make my baby a cake. That's why I decided to just bring you guys along. I don't know what the week going to entail, but I'm trying to get better at this. I'm trying to get better at just having y'all in my single mom life with the village, because I am a single mom with a village. Don't never get it twisted. I got a village. I'm a single mom with a village, okay? With that being said, you guys, I hope you guys like my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to them. Don't forget to comment down below if you make it to the end of the video. And yeah, let's go fix me something to eat and get ready to make my baby cake. I just made my food, but I'm gonna sit it to the side for a second because I already got the I'm gonna sit it to the side because I already got the pan in the oven to make the cake, so I gotta mix it up.
I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I cannot be